Good morning, Jamaica. It's a beautiful day today, and I'm honored to have this interview because it is a Wednesday, and Neville and I are going to sip a little scotch on a nice Wednesday morning and just feel good. Do people drink scotch in the morning?
Well, it's preferred in the afternoon.
Preferred in the afternoon. So some drinks are for the evening and some are for the morning. Okay, I'll stay with my coffee. However, let me tell you about Johnnie Walker, a premium brand of Scotch whiskey that is known worldwide. This year, they have partnered with the Jamaica Food and Drink Festival and will be sharing exciting cocktail mixes with patrons. To tell us more about this is LaShawn Davis, round of applause, Junior Brand Manager of Premium Brands at Red Stripe and Senior Reserve Brand Ambassador Arturo Savage, and bartender over here, Brian Broderick, later on. And we also have Tika Samuda on the other side with Neville. We soon get to them. However, good morning.
Good morning.
Let's get straight to it. How does the Senior Reserve Johnnie Walker taste, Arturo?
Johnnie Walker actually is the most important whiskey brand in the world. Actually, in 2020 will be 200 years. And that allows us to say that we have the knowledge, we have the experience to create extraordinary drinks, and actually we say we have each whiskey for each drinking occasion.
Oh.
So we have a 10 portfolio that goes from Johnnie Walker Red, Johnnie Walker Black, Double Black, Green Label, Gold Reserve, and of course the mighty 18 years old and Johnnie Walker Blue Label.
Well, let's tell them why you are an expert. You hail from Venezuela.
Yes.
You have been an ambassador for how many years for Johnnie Walker?
20, 21, more or less. Yeah, long time. Yeah.
How did you become the ambassador?
Well, basically, I'm a chef, and I was in the world of flavors, of food, drinks, and one day someone from Johnnie Walker approached. He was watching me presenting, and he said, "Oh, you could be a good presenter in whiskey." And I said, "Actually, believe it or not, I didn't drink whiskey in those days. But when I discovered it, when I went to Scotland back with my family, I went to distilleries, I understand all the heritage behind this wonderful drink. I understand that Scotch was not only a distillate, it's part of the culture of Scotland, it's an expression of the people of Scotland. So I fell in love. And of course, when I understand the brand, when I discover all the heritage behind the brand, the careful quality of the brand, and the values that represent, I really fell in love. So I can say I was lucky to be an ambassador.
There's a Scotch for like a fish meal, a chicken meal.
Could be, yes.
If I'm feeling sad or I'm feeling happy. So you know exactly which Scotch I should have.
You need a Johnnie Walker.
I love that. All right, let me ask you, LaShawn. So you have a great appearance to make at the food festival. When is it?
Definitely excited about it. It's on the 26th to November 3rd. So it's October 26th to November 3rd.
Okay, and I guess that Arturo, Mr. Savage, will be there presenting and having conversations with the patrons.
He has been here. He
Yes.
was at our event on Monday. We had a private seminar, which was wonderful. We had about 30 persons. We had, of course, Johnnie Walker pouring all night. We had great food, and he gave them the history of Scotch. I'm so sorry I didn't invite you.
Did I miss a memo?
You're on the next one, I promise. We'll be having a lot like next year.
Yes.
And yes, so we started with a private seminar, and yesterday we actually went to Montego Bay and we trained about 30 bartenders. So of course Arturo gave the history of Johnnie Walker, and as well we have Tika Samuda, who just gave them ideas about cocktails and how we can use our different products in our portfolio. So that's how we started, and of course we are also sponsoring Chopstick. So Chopstick is the event that Johnnie Walker is a part of. So we are premiumizing that event.
Yes.
We're coming in with our beautiful bar. We'll have Johnnie Walker pouring all night, and we have our cocktails that Tika will go into shortly.
I'm glad you said that, because when I think of Johnnie Walker, I think of Scotch. I think of Scotch on the rocks. I can just see this elder man.
Yes.
That's all I see with the Scotch on the rocks.
Oh.
But what you're saying is Tika will show us with Neville how many drinks can be made.
Johnnie Walker is also for ladies. We have our cocktails. You can have it neat. There are a variety of ways, and we have our different labels.
What name Neat? I used to work in a bar, but I forgot. Neat mean on the rocks.
Yes.
just going back to those days. Arturo, I have to ask you, because when we talk about careers, this is interesting, because you must have a really good life. You must travel the world
Yeah.
drinking Scotch
Yes.
and eating food.
Yes.
Wow, that's
Fabulous life.
Listen,
Most importantly, I get paid.
and you get paid to do it.
Yes,
That is
yes.
totally cool.
Yeah.
So we'll see you at the festival.
Yes,
All right?
definitely.
Excellent. And I'm going to throw it now over to Neville. Thank you for sharing. You're
Thank
in
you very
Dominican
much.
Republic now.
Yes, I live in the Dominican Republic,
Okay.
yes.
All right. So we'll look out for you.
All right.
LaShawn, we'll have you back.
Definitely.
All right. My people, my people, my people. We turn it over to Neville Bell, who's at the bar.
You know, that sounds good. I'm at the bar, so I'm going to drink off everything. They were introduced before. Tika Samuda is a spirit consultant, and Brian Broderick will make us a cocktail in a little while. Morning again to you both.
Morning.
Who is a spirit consultant? What you do? Which spirit you consult with? What do you do?
At this point in time, I'm supporting the Johnny Walker brand with a series of executions that began on October 14th. We had a fantastic tasting session that Arturo led, and he took the guests on a journey with Johnny Walker. We're doing bartender training sessions across the island. We did Montego Bay. We have Kingston on the list. And there's an entire media tour that is happening to really maximize Arturo's presence here in Jamaica. So my role as a spirits consultant is to make sure that all of those things happen and just really to plan and to manage the executions of those series of events leading up to the Food and Drink Festival.
So Brian will do a cocktail. You tell Brian what to do and how to do it, or he knows his stuff already. He's not mic'd, I don't think, right? So you'll have to
No problem.
talk us through it, but in a serious way. So do you suggest stuff to him?
It's a collaborative effect. So what happens is we get a suggested cocktail from Diageo, the owners of
Right.
Johnny Walker.
Right.
And what we're going to be featuring today is the Golden Apple. It's a cocktail that has the Johnny Walker Gold Label Reserve. We'll be adding a few ingredients, and Brian is going to take us through it now.
Yeah, Brian, you could start. You could start, Brian. Is that why it's called a cocktail? Because it's the rum and the different stuff with it?
So we're featuring whiskey today.
Well, I
and
mean, with
it is
whiskey, yeah.
indeed a combination of different ingredients.
Right.
So what Brian is going to be doing today is adding 1.5 ounces of Johnny Walker Gold Label Reserve. He'll add 2 ounces of apple juice, an ounce of some homemade sweet and sour mix. And he's going to shake and pour into a champagne flute, top with a little bit of soda water, and garnish with a slice of apple.
Well, you know, the rule says that we're not allowed to drink alcohol on air.
Really?
Well, I will lose my work today because I am going to drink on air, and then I will just go back to wherever Arturo is going. And I said, Brian, why all of that for a while? That does what?
It's a classic cocktail.
Oh, it's a classic.
It has to be shaken with class.
Okay.
Ideally, when you shake a cocktail, what you're doing is 2 things.
Yeah.
You're chilling the ingredients as well as you're really combining them. So
Okay.
that was a vigorous shake to ensure that they were properly combined.
And that's that the gentleman says shaken, not stirred.
Oh, we're going to top it with a little bit of soda
Oh, we
water.
don't finish with it yet.
We're almost there.
No.
I see you're excited to taste it.
I am. No, I am. Arturo, I hope you have a very big suitcase because I will be in one of them. Wherever you go, I'm coming with you. All of a sudden, we are related. We are related.
We're going to top it with a little bit of soda water to get that bubbly effect. And then we're
Okay.
going to garnish it with a slice of apple, and then it will be complete and ready for you to savor and enjoy.
And that's it. That's it. All right, so Empress will take the rest of the show because I'm going to get fired. No, the 2 of us can't get fired on the same morning.
I'm just going to hold it.
Can I do it now?
Yes.
Sir. There you go. Does it have a special name?
The golden apple.
Golden apple.
The golden apple. Cheers.
Ooh.
Cheers. This is, according to Arturo, the best drink. Oui, si, si.
Oui, oui.
Oui, oui. No, a French. A man come from Venezuela.
This
Hablo
is-
español.
This is fantastic. All right, so who gets the last word? Tell me what's going to happen, where it's going to happen, when it's going to happen, and stuff.
So for the Food and Drink Festival, we're going
Right.
to be featuring the Golden Apple, of course.
Right.
And then patrons are going to have the opportunity to try several other Johnny Walker cocktails. They'll be able to enjoy the Johnny Walker Black and some coconut water, as well as the platinum label Neat. And I just want to add, Neat is when you pour it directly from the bottle into the glass. You're not adjusting the temperature in any way.
Fantastic. All right, so Junior Brand Manager, Deshaun Davis, Arturo Savage, mucho gusto, Tika Samuda, and Brian
You know,
Broderick.
I would love a tour in Scotland to really appreciate the history. And you know, we have Scottish history in Jamaica. Not maybe the best history. Where are you going with the bottle? You know what? I love the way he shook it. Okay.
We're going to go for a break. When we come back, if we're still here, you will hear some music. We might not be here. Latoya HD and the High Definition Band. Stay
What do you
with us.
mean we're not going to be here?
Because you drunk already and I am going home.
No,